What is batch processing? Let's understand batch processing with a real-world example. Think about how bank reconciliation works. Transactions happen throughout the day, but reconciliation and final reports are done at the end of the day. Or think about how monthly salary is processed. The company doesn't calculate payroll every second. It collects the data and processes it as a batch. Batch processing means collecting data over a time window and then processing it together. In data engineering, batch jobs might run every 15 minutes, hourly, daily, or weekly, depending on the business needs. Batch processing is extremely common because it is predictable and cost effective. Batch processing matters because most analytics use cases do not need real-time answers. Many decisions are made daily or weekly, not per second. Batch pipelines are also easier to test because you know exactly what data is included in a run. If something fails, you can rerun the batch. If a bug is found, you can reprocess yesterday's data. In real projects, batch is used for data warehouse loads, daily KPI computation, end of day settlement reports, inventory updates, and backfills. The main downside of batch is latency. If the business needs to respond immediately to data, batch is not enough. But batch remains the backbone of most production analytics systems because it balances simplicity, reliability, and cost.